welcome to Outs Palagi Show on a Wednesday morning.
Right.
Second chicken lore na matari siga ng onogo and kito no vomuta ni namaru taki tiga nabi kaiso. Baru taki na matake dair buta kalau ke na itabi dindu yang gravi.
Right.
And baka tambe siga.
Iyo. Good morning to
we welcome the roaming around of Wuli Chibura.
Yeah.
This morning, thank you very much for being.
Well, it's everywhere.
All right.
Right.
Julum.
Yeah. Sometimes in the north, sometimes in the west, sometimes in the North Pole.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Wherever you are, I am.
Wala ka mrusot Agustina.
This is the Nandi.
Totok sana.
Nandi Airport.
Totok.
Waini Moli. Bata ba na waini uto?
Yeah.
Utsun India.
Have you tried the out in India?
I already from Lomaivuna.
Yeah.
And now,
Yeah.
you said to eat what you call inside?
Sorena.
Yeah, there.
In the Serena.
Sorena.
The Serena is the same as the Sorenibutu.
Huh?
Same.
Nada ba?
The Sorenibutu India.
Kale mo na soreni ut. Etukune kale mo na soreni ut India.
Wait. We will explain.
Yeah.
But kira kilachi ko.
Na soreni ut India kale mo kale na soreni ut.
Na monetize tayo talaga ng mukha niya.
Ha? Monetize mele mo na apply.
Right?
All again from Bararavelli and Matango and Burbito second bit Sala. Ni andre ni Matavinak. Tahu siapa kan dormo no di traffic jam na Matango.
Dorim naka.
Binasa mole bersama sumay nangongan do binan rabaki. Era so ngara ka kitunto vi talo takatu kitunto vi spultekina. Era vi mataka be bakanikuwa.
Iyo. Bayan dotan wir ket sar nando bultaki uto ninja.
Iyo.
Wir ket nando ngona one time the
factory in Lami.
Yeah. You know, as young in the village, we had the news.
School will abolish.
Abolish or umbilical. Sell the root crop or any the uto breadfruit.
Bundi China.
You bring it to
Welanda.
There's a factory there. And this gang from the Kibuna, the one that's going to turn Corva the Gumin to Kibuna. When in Bulmaka, Bulmanaka, Nabale, Nasama, and Sinikua. And this fella told the news to the village. The people there, they want the Utuninja factory. They load one carrier.
Ortopiro katakan na normal breadfruit.
The normal breadfruit, the normal.
Guys, ini mama tatakin babinaka.
They're normal the Utuninja, this fella Penny. Kalau tol the gang to vira load man dona kere lewu na utu ninja na kere ngo e muri bango e mbis nga man taplin viru man taplin ngi bis man ndali
Misapa ande rotu yan
ni utu ni ninja on buka bacin barra mi keden bacin ni waya utu ninja wala
Right.
Load mai they mark the utu ninja they mark they put the revenue there
Lamna chochine rusi.
e balatini na mai lili so sambi bi man kere utu ninja go
Dona uto India dona revenue.
Iya non reme ni kala baka na kaya kondo usiwa ira na chigo na non ramaka vaya talaga non ramaka taka mana utu ninja sabi mimia ira sakilatu nan jino sa taka mana korlo iya jino ban kintin so mana kere le mo sangu tu en bona factory in the factory there in Lami when they open like this the fellow said no the boss not this utu ninja we want the uto the breadfruit Wow! Sa dalam pun orang kau.
Pimpa kya?
Pimpa.
Iyo.
Apa kau ni go.
You say the uto.
Sabanggar ko non nabital no.
Iyo. Orto na buisar tu pun tu mana kiri ko sa tu na lang kali mo.
Iyo.
Sa asa ngatu ko na to kini factory mo. No, not this one. We want the breadfruit.
Iyo.
Angay ko ngol men na kiri mo. Orto le sumo. Sa tu vital mo mesa na koi be no tu ni jong.
Iyo, dina sar.
Sa mo.
Iyo.
Sa ngol nga mengor ya sar ne sese bona ya sember ni tako ko suma pak.
Iya.
Se kele no bona sar tu kel tu kin na kiri.
Iya.
Apa suku na kiri mo. Ribes. Ribes sar ngay tala na utu ninja. They said, when the first utu ninja reach Nukulau, the utu ninja still in the Kiria.
Ha!
Sila kayo na masuk.
Sadir ni bago sadir sari adi Nukulau na mate ni utu ninja.
Mereka ibe.
Mesa sadir mi. Sari adi utu ninja. Sali adi Nukulau na mate ni utu ninja ko sombu. They still unloading the utu ninja. Ana lebu ni utu ninja minto kebula.
Merto multa kana market.
Isa ka kan chikona.
Iyo.
Kaya baka me se kilama ka chikona dem sin tu kana sarni utinija.
Iyo.
Kaya se litala ke den lolo.
Ele tala velolo bumem boy. Boy bea.
Iyo.
Yan nagay masama taka it's a very tasty fruit.
Iyo.
To everyone
Right.
we like to eat because He's a heavy food.
Iya.
It's a heavy food.
Right.
It's got, we don't use sugar.
Right.
They are sugar himself.
Right.
The Qatar.
Yeah.
And the Utuninja.
Okay, binak boleh sa rasa utuninja.
Iya.
Pamadal takamanda.
Iya.
Na ikana kan ni molikana.
Right.
Mulikana ako na matagal yung mulibata ba?
Totos.
Iya.
Mulibele?
Na ray nindo na buwan indambi, please explain.
Okay.
to me.
Dandambi.
Iya. Is what?
Dandambi is a atmospheric plant.
Wow.
And daw bulang nga baka tambakin do na zona Vanua.
Right.
You can see Dandambi in the forest,
Right.
like upper in the hills.
Right.
Yeah.
Where you can find?
We can see this plant Dandambi
Iya.
in the middle
Inland.
inland.
In the forest.
In the
Right,
forest.
right,
You
right,
won't find
right.
the beetle.
Yeah, no.
Right, yeah.
You only can see Dandambi
Iya.
in a place like a salty water is.
Oi!
Yeah.
So near the sea beach like that, eh?
Yeah, near the sea beach.
Yeah.
They are very strong plant.
Oh, okay.
The stem,
Yeah.
it's not darkish brown.
Yeah.
It's light brown,
Yeah.
and they got the branches. Does not grow big like a basic tree.
Oi.
In the sea water.
Right.
It's Dandongo is very too big, Sarah.
Yeah.
So this one is a petroleum plant.
Why? Yeah. What we want to?
Iya,
What
so
we
di kalam salah.
you to explain
Yeah.
the one in the bee.
Yeah.
Iya nang kaya tadi keri, ako na tadi keri Mikael time sa balabu.
Yeah.
Mita to koso.
Lewi rantau TV siya rantau sibi.
Yeah.
Erdo mga takan na nandambi.
Right.
Na ire ni dambi.
Yeah.
Na ire bingi.
Yeah.
Ire binaka na buri ko.
Right.
So the plant, the fruits,
Yeah.
the fruit itself is round.
Right.
Right.
Inside there is a seed. The seed, it's like a pyramid.
Oi.
Pyramid shape.
Yeah.
Inside the seed. We used to cut that from the village.
Yeah.
We used to cut that, remove the seed.
Yeah.
We carry it like a bag.
Oi.
Shape like a bag.
Kana bokete.
Evocate.
Yeah.
We take it like that, we
Yeah.
feel
Kalibatalo.
Yeah, kalibatalo. Yeah.
Yeah.
When the things die,
Yeah.
the thing is very strong.
Right.
You
Oi.
can keep it for chili holder. Huh?
Chili chicken.
Chicken melango. Iya.
Iya,
Sangka
iya.
tahu tuh membimbing roket, moli.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Don't
Right.
This plant. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Tell us about Makita.
Makita is a very strong
Bukan
plant.
kibrin na lupen daw ni sa
Sirkila.
Yeah.
Right. Guna
The Makita itself, most of all, we use it for the nandani buaka.
Right.
Nakau.
Right. Carry on.
Yeah. This is for the bending stick.
Right.
For the
Bend down.
Huh?
Bend down stick.
Yeah, the bend down.
Right.
The bend down stick for the Makita.
Yeah.
Everything that happened, I used to do that from the bush
Yeah.
during hunters.
Yeah.
We use that. Everything is Makita because they are very strong.
Yeah.
Right.
They are very strong.
Terus sa sebuah bill, Makita is very strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very strong.
Right.
So they got the seed too.
Yeah.
It's very strong.
Oi.
Right.
They're very strong. He can grow in everywhere.
Who's?
Buckets.
Makita.
Makita.
Okay.
He can grow anywhere because he can take by the water,
Right.
grow in whatever place he want to stop.
Right.
So if somebody put it away,
Yeah.
he will grow there.
Don't
It's
remove
very
Don't remove Naka.
and where he is growing,
Yeah.
because each Makita can give thousands of fruits.
Banana.
Oi.
Yeah. Thousand of fruits. So
Yeah.
around them you
Yeah.
can see like a marble.
Iya.
They are very hard.
Right.
But some of us,
Yeah.
we used to cut the Makita
Yeah.
for hair dye.
For hair dye.
Oi.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Right.
Some for hair dye, some
Yeah.
during the wedding.
Iya.
They use it for the brown skull.
You
can
have
see-
the
you
Makita?
can- Iya. You can also see the Makita inside the church. Yes, yan.
Yeah,
Right.
this is for Tuirara.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tuirara,
Yeah.
daw mga taka tu menurutkan ibu mo, they are use it for working like a Sunday school. You talking?
Yeah.
Right.
They cut it the small, the longest one.
Yeah.
Korna kalila.
Nabuna?
Nabuna mapo Tuirara.
Yeah.
Nimbi,
Yeah.
they cut it, they put it like 2 weeks
Yeah.
Right.
on top of the house like this.
Yeah.
Kata-kata singa tukina.
Right.
So that it can strong and dry.
Don't
Right.
black.
So they use it for working.
Vandilo.
Vandilo is a plant.
Iya.
Yeah.
The bigger the Andilo,
Iya.
the Andilo tree,
Yeah.
the smaller the marble is.
Siachi.
Iya.
Oi.
Na kale buni-buni Andilo, kaya manibada na kale buni-buni Andilo,
Right.
kale litungan na buwana.
So if the Bunindilo small,
The buni Andilo small, no buni Andilo is small.
okay. Like you.
There's no hybrid buni Andilo, boy.
Iya.
Yeah. Too small and give a plant.
Iya.
Yeah. So
No, if you were the Bunindilo, imagine eh.
Yeah.
dapat mo may buni Andilo kinoy. Wai kau. Kodi te se kobe buni wanga to yan radera.
Buni sosape.
Iya,
Buni
right.
sosape. Sosape is a scabies plant. Karo kami kila baru-baru natola na buana.
Poki-poki wa.
Poki. They are from the sea and from the plant too, nasuki-suki.
Right.
So whenever you see, this is a very herbal medicine plant.
Yeah.
Because they can heal anything that cause in your
Right.
in internal organ.
Yeah.
Ah?
Internal organ.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They are very healing plant.
Yeah.
So whenever you eat the sosape,
Yeah.
it's very tasty. You love to eat because it give food, it give water.
Right.
Niumbulin raw.
Huh?
Na niumbulin raw.
Yeah.
Na
Parang
niumbulin
yung-
raw
Oh,
is a
kalay
plant.
di. Yeah.
Is a
Kalay.
plant.
Yeah.
The name itself describe him.
Yeah.
He got 1,000 of them,
Right.
but they are very small skull.
You have the new?
Huh?
Cukup kau new.
This new,
Yeah.
Michaela will take it.
Okay. What's the difference between the Niundamu
Iya.
and the other new?
The new damu we
Yeah.
use
Memang new tahu.
herbal medicine.
Right.
The
Right.
new damu,
Wala
if
na,
somebody
there is
got,
wala na.
Yeah.
if somebody got a big cut,
Here.
Where?
gonna mabuole bue.
Yeah.
Someone
Yeah.
no in the hat ngore ro tanga melo malangi. Iyo. Ini yang ngomu siya mabuole wada ba.
Right.
If you need to stop the blood,
Iya.
no one andra wambo sud no. This is a big one, eh?
Here.
You use the new damu. You cut the new damu, kota
Yeah.
limik sta kapat kendo ka.
Here.
Inside the kana ganim bulilo ma.
Yeah.
Right.
Na tolo ni
New tahu.
new damu.
Right.
Right.
Here.
You put it, try it and put into the automatic that thing, the blood will stop.
Hoi.
Twos up,
Sechi.
a twos up. Because one day I was cutting my leg,
Here.
a big cut. Then
Kadua?
leg.
Hoi.
With a chainsaw.
That so me abandua.
Seperti ni ociko.
We.
The wee,
Iya.
most of the kids they don't hate the wee.
Why?
Yeah.
Because they love the fruit.
Yeah.
But they hate the swelling swallow of the madake.
Right.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
They hate it. But
Yeah.
they are very good plant
Right.
to us.
Dawa.
Dawa.
Yeah.
Dawa is lesson here. Rabuki is listening from this morning. I would like to say good morning to there's a different kind of dawa.
Right.
Some dawa,
Yeah.
they are very
Sensitive.
purple
Yeah.
pinkish.
Right.
Yeah.
Don't do
They are very purple pinkish.
Yeah.
Right.
We call it andawa sere.
Dawa.
Oi.
Dawa sere,
Yeah.
he know himself.
Here.
When he's ripened enough,
Right.
he will follow from the top.
Yeah.
Down
To
on
the
the end, they separated.
Here.
Kaseri.
Kasir sarangan, dawa sere, kasere. So he will remove himself. Na lewena nangana, but kena sore na rtona bitalta. That means the thing is ripening.
Oi.
So you can eat it on the ground.
Inte nangkaron mesa kere-kere.
Ayaw sa nga.
Iya, nandawa sere ya.
Here.
Adandawa no. If you fall down, the thing will stuck. But the
Right.
thing, when you cut put it like this, if the thing is ripe,
Yeah.
hey, sa hilo-hilo ndina, it's mirroring.
Ano?
It's mirroring.
Very good.
Iya, hilo-hilo binaka.
Iya.
Yeah, that means it's ripening.
Last one.
Ano ba ka bumbilu ko yan
Yeah.
na matagdi ko?
Iya.
Okay.
Try man the Eevee.
Ibi.
Ibi.
Yeah.
Ibi is he is a very good friend of us.
Right.
Yeah.
We love them.
Iya.
The Ibi is
Which one?
The Ibi is very good.
Yeah.
He take time for them to membuta,
Iya.
to cook.
Yeah.
Sometimes we sleep, they still going on.
Di na sana.
Okay.
Some
Masagar ko mamalo. Kung
Sagar-
mamalo ti ko.
pamalua.
Yeah.
Right.
Take it
But
slowly.
when the exhaust
Yeah.
is coming, trespass
Dari
is around.
Telwila.
Ano ko eh? Trespass is around.
Napedidi lagi sana tara. Hey! Domade!
Nawala ujar kemarin. Nawala.
Ronde. Nawala punjas celebrating 90s.
You sleep with Eevee.
Silipidi mama keu.
Ano na. So, Bill Lesenia. Udah mulai bicara John Kumar. Thank you for watching Ouch Palangi show this morning.
Right. Siotora.
Oi, go main. Betul
Iya.
dalam TikTok.
Yo na TikTok ay lang ka mantakan ko. Sini through chika nonton live na TikTok.
Oi.
Live chika ngoro na Facebook page pambulut chika ni Penny Salambongi.
Ano na kabali?
Batal ngakin na bay peace nga grace.
Right.
Yan ramalek an raminaka.
Janra.
May mbulileka may lambas.
Oh, no may mbulia.
Ari soron ngauna.
Iya.
Andare. Bagaimana ka
Iko na kemo ka mo libo na kada tu talita na won ko bayay.
Iya.
Siya ko doten na iko na niuda bakam na niuda.
Hindi mo labo.
Ni balaw.
Okay. Iksambo so sapato sinamata mo na sinito.
Iyo.
Meara.
Meada.
Iya. Yara.
Iya, begitu na yada.
Na doya.
Yada mata mo yada.
Na doya na nabwa.
Ah?
Na do na nabwa.
Na nabo men bimbi na dakan di mata na.
Kau meata sana wana makita.
Ano makita men dondo na bagu.
Look at Brian na raminaka.
Iya.
Solo ya uraki.
Dombulan.
Muto sayan dari auranga.
Andare. Bagaimana ka doko kangani pinanda baki mera setu kino nda mataka be bakari kuwa.
Iyo.
Nanda Ouch Palangi show. Dono like hard mataka no share.
Iya.
Mari memsi ya rabinaka. Meta orang mataka